What do they do?
No, get your own.
I gotta go.
Now they're playing and you're going to get down.
I gotta go and get something for my stomach.
Okay.
It hurts.
Try not to do it right at this moment.
I really got sick on those candies. Told my dogs that they even lose their thing around their necks. I know them all. Oh, that was the wrong one. Oh.
I'm taping.
What? Yeah, I think so.
You're out.